Good morning, everyone. So, in the last class, we have discussed some numericals related to circular time shift and some numericals on circular frequency shift as well. So, let us solve one few more numericals related to the property of circular time shift and circular frequency shift. Take down. In today's lecture, first numerical, let x of k is equals to x of k is equals to 10 minus 2 plus 2j minus 2 plus 2j, then minus 2 minus 2 minus 2j. For this part, for this x of k, you should find out two things as the sub question they have given in the question. x1 of n is equals to x1 of n is equals to x of n plus 2 of 4 and x2 of n is equals to x of 4 minus n of 4, 4 minus n of 4, right? So he is telling us to find out the sequence using the properties of DFT, IDFT. So using the properties of DFT and IDFT, using the properties of DFT and IDFT, find its x of k. Find its x of k. So the point of discussion here is, friends, find x of k. That is x1 of k and x2 of k. Friends, here he has told us in the question as find x of k, meaning that though he has given x of k, he is again trying or asking us x of k only. This is mere confusion, please. Please get this point. Given this x of k, normally they will ask x of n. But in this numerical, they have given x of k and asking you x of k only. How? With this as your x of n term, find its x of k is telling. Find its x of k. Using first, let us solve the first problem or numerical part. x1 of n is equals to x of n plus 2 of 4. Solution for this using circular time shift property. Using circular time shift property, we are having x of n minus L of n. When you apply DFT, you will be getting x of k e power minus j2 pi k L divided by 2 pi k L divided by n. This is the expression for circular time. Now he has given us x of n plus 2 of 4. Means what in the right hand side you get e power minus j 2 pi k. What is L, friends? Minus 2. What is n? It is 4. So on the right hand side part you will be getting x of k into e power minus j, minus into minus plus j. This 2, 2 and 4 gets cancelled. 2 pi k. You are left out with 2 pi k. So what is this? Is nothing but your x1 of k. This is nothing but x1 of k. Right? So your x1 of k is nothing but x1 of k is nothing but the first numerical, first sub question is equals to x of k into e power plus j pi k. Okay. Now you have this. For 4 points. What is that you will be having here? x1 of k is equals to x of 0 e power 0. That is k value is substituting here. Substituting the value of k. Are you getting here, students? Are you getting the numerical, friends? Okay.
Yes.
Plus capital X of 1, k I am substituting 1, e power plus j pi plus x of 2, e power plus j 2 pi plus x of 3, e power plus j 3 pi. Okay. So now what is x of 0, friends? Here this is 0, 10. Okay. What do you get next part? What do you get next part? -2 plus j2 into what do you get here? -2 minus j2 into what is e power j pi, please? What is e power j pi?
-1, sir.
-1. Then x of 2 is -2 into e power j 2 pi.
1, sir.
That is, it goes on like this, +1 -1 +1 -1 and so on. Then comma -2 minus 2j into -1. Okay. So your finally x1 of k is equals to 10, 2 plus j2 minus 2, this is -1. 2 plus j2 is the final answer for x1 of k. Did everyone get the discussion of this? Sorry, one moment, friends. Here this is 2 plus j2. Here minus, you will be getting here 2 minus j2. Both are minus, yeah. Is the numerical clear for everyone, students? Is the numerical clear for everyone? First bit.
Yes.
Okay. So what about the second part? What is the second part given? What is the second sub question given? x2 of n is equals to 4 minus n of 4. x2 of n is equals to 4 minus n of 4. Under solution, using time reversal property, write down capital X of n minus n of 4, capital X of capital N minus small n of n is equals to, sorry, this is small x, n minus n is equals to capital X n minus k of n. So what is that you are going to write down the things, friends? So you will be writing down Capital N is what? 4. Capital N is 4. So he is asking us capital N is 4 according to the things. So where you want to write down x of 0, 1, 2, 3. So capital X of 4 minus 0. Next, capital X of 4 minus 1 is equals to 3. Right? Yes or no, students? Friends, can you understand the things? See here, capital X of next time, the right hand side, you will be getting capital X of 4 minus k. This n is nothing but 4, which is given. When I am writing down this, what is x of first one is 0, k is equals to 0 means 4. From this, what can you write down? This is 0, 1, 2, 3. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and it is circularly convert. Circularly convert. So for x of 4 means what do you get? 10. X of k is equals to 1. So 3. What is x of 3? It is given as minus 2 minus 2j. X of 2, k is equals to 2. What do you get here? Minus 2. X of 1, k is equals to 3. What do you get here? X of 1 minus 2 plus 2j. Next line, therefore, capital X of k is equals to 10 minus 2 minus 2j. Therefore, we'll rub this part. Therefore, capital X2 of k is equals to, you can write down the values which you got. That is 10 minus 2 minus 2j minus 2 minus 2 plus 2. Is the second numerical part clear for everyone, students? Is the second part of the discussion clear, friends? Okay, then we shall proceed with the next numerical. Then next numerical is, please note it down. Using time shift property, obtain the DFT of, using time shift property, obtain the DFT of the sequence. He has given the sequence. X of n is equal to delta n. X of n is equal to delta n plus delta of n minus 4 plus delta of n minus 5. Delta of n minus 5. 2 delta please here. Plus 2 delta of n minus 5. Okay. Using time shift property, we shall write down this. What is the value? First, let us consider circular solution. Under solution, circular time shift property. X of n minus L of n. When you apply DFT, you should get x of k e power minus j 2 pi KL divided by N. Friends, please concentrate on the word. I am involving one after the other now. First, I will apply delta n here, then I will apply delta n minus 4, then delta n minus. First part, delta n if I apply over here. Delta n if I apply over here, what do I get here, friends? Delta of n minus L is 0 because I am writing here delta n with respect to, now using what is that, time shift property means where in the question only you have given where it n ranges between 0 to 7 it is. So it is 8 point here, 8 point here, n is equals to 8. When you apply DFT, what do you get here, friends? X of k e power minus j 2 pi k. What is L here, friends? What is L?
0.
0 divided by capital N is, what is capital N?
8.
8, sir.
Okay. So this right hand side part will be equivalent to just x of k. Correct? Yes or no? X of k, then the x of k means delta k, which means that what is delta? That is, it will be having 1. See here, friends, delta n means it will be 1 at 0. Then DFT of delta n is 1. Yes or no, students? DFT of delta n, Fourier transform of delta n, then Z transform of delta n, Laplace transform of delta n, all are 1 only. Now, so this is equivalent to what? 1. Similarly, delta of n minus 4 of 8. What do you get here, friends? X of k plus into minus j 2 pi k. What is L here? 4. N is 8. So this is equals to x of k e power minus j pi k. Is everyone getting this point of discussion, friends? Now, delta of n minus 5, when you apply DFT, what do you get here? Of 8. X of k e power minus j 2 pi k. L is 5, n is 8. X of k e power minus j pi k, 5 pi k divided by 4. Yes or no, friends? E power minus 5 pi k divided by 4. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So finally, x of k, that is x of k for this whole equation is nothing but individually we applied. I will add all these things. What is that? First one is 1 plus, what is second one? X of k e power minus j pi k plus x of k e power minus we have left out with j pi k, no, yeah, j pi k, this is minus j 5 pi k divided by 4. This is yeah, j 5 pi k only. This is just e power j pi k. Is this equation clear for everyone? Is that equation clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now, what can we write?
Sir.
First, you note down. Any doubts, friends?
Sir, last term is multiplied by 2, no, sir.
Last term is, yeah, very good. Thank you so much. This is 2. Yeah. So finally, what should we write here, students? Capital X of k is equals to these values. So this is capital X of k. Here you will be getting your capital X of k into 1. Capital X of k. Okay. So finally, we should write down the answer. Capital X of 0 is equals to. Friends, have you noted down till here, students? Have you noted down till here, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, having that to be noted as, next point here is, I should put the values of k equal to, in this equation, 0 to 7. Yes or no? 0 to 7. Why should I put here 0 to 7 here to find out the values? Why should I find 0 to 7, friends?
Because it's 8-bit.
Because it is,
N is from 0 to 7, sir. That's
yeah,
8-bit.
it is 8.8. Very good, very good. So first, x of 0 is equal to, in the first value, x of 0 is delta of 0, that is x of k is 0, that is 1, plus all the values of x of k will be 1 here, because all are delta terms. 1 plus e power minus j pi into 0 plus 2 e power minus j pi into 0 divided by 4. Yes or no, students? X of 0. So this is equivalent to x of 0 is equals to 1 plus 2, which is nothing but 4. Is the point of discussion clear, friends? Similarly, what is x of 1? X of 1 is 1 plus 1 into e power minus j pi k is 1. So I will write here j pi k minus j pi plus 1 into e power minus j pi by 4, because k is 1. Is the point of discussion clear, friends? So what will be this equation? 1 plus e power minus j pi plus e power minus j pi by 4. Please answer this one now. I want the simplification. Cos pi minus j sin pi plus 2 into cos phi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. So this is equivalent to, in the next line I'll write down, this is equivalent to, what is the next step, please? 1 plus, what is cos 180? Cos pi?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
So this is minus 1 minus sin 180 is?
0, sir.
So I will write down only this part. Okay, plus 2 into, what is cos phi by 4, friends?
Minus 1 by root 2, sir.
Minus 1, you tell me the fractional value, Baba.
Minus
1 by
minus
0.747.
Yes, sir.
747 minus j, what is sin phi by 4?
Minus 1 by root 2, sir.
So this will become plus, no? Plus 0.707. So I will, shall I rub this part, friends? Have you noted down this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So next step will be, what is this next step? So 1 minus 1 minus 1.414 plus j.414. Yes or no, friends? So minus 1.414 plus j.414. Is the value correct? X of 1 is equal to. Is the value correct, friends? Is x of 1 value correct, students?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, can you find out the values of x of 2 till x of 7? By just substituting the value of k is equals to 2 to 7 as I did for 0 to 1. Can you do that in your home as an assignment? Tomorrow I will ask the answer. Can I leave that for you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much. But I want the answer in tomorrow class. Take down next one. Consider a finite length sequence. Shall I rub this part? Can I rub this part, students? Okay. Now, consider a finite length sequence. X of n is equals to, next numerical. Consider a finite length sequence. X of n is equal to 1 0 1 2 0. 1 0 1 2 0. The 5-point DFT of the sequence x of n, 5-point DFT of x of n is x of k. He has given this sentence in the question. Plot the sequence whose DFT, y of k is equal to e power minus j pi k divided by 5 minus j pi k divided by 5 sorry, this is minus j 4 pi k divided by 5 minus j 4 pi k divided by 5 into x of k, So should we utilize circular time shift or circular frequency shift to plot y of n, students? Here, given x of n is asking us y of n, meaning that x of n minus L of n, when you apply DFT, is telling us x of k e power minus j 2 pi k L divided by n. We know that this is the expression for circular time shift. He is giving that this is y of k. This is left hand side is y of n. You should draw this one only itself. Meaning that given this, you should get what is the L value and that you should plot. So what is that? X of k e power minus j Minus j is over here. I am altering down the values of k, l, n. Please look onto the board. E power minus j, 4 pi is there. I will be utilize 2 pi k into 2 divided by 5 is there. Divided by 5 is there. Because it is 5-point DFT, n is 5. Then I altered this. Instead of 4 pi, I wrote 2 pi k into 2 to find out the value of L. Is the point of discussion clear, students? Is the point of discussion clear, friends?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, what is that I got to know from this equation is x of n minus, what is L? L is what? I came to know that from writing down this, I came to know that value of L is 2, which is nothing but your what? Y of n. So what is y of n? Y of n is nothing but shifted samples of x of n by 2 places. So y of n is equals to x of n minus 2 of 4. Okay, I will shift this 2 places right side. So first shift, what do I get? 0, 1, 0, 1, 2. For the first sign shifting, first shift. Second shift, what do you get here, friends? This 2 comes here, 2, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is second shift. This is what is your y of n. So what about the plot? 2, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is your plot for y of n. This is 0 and this axis is n. 0, 1, sorry. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Is the point of discussion clear? Is this numerical clear for everyone? Is this numerical clear for everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Take down next one. Next example. Can I rub this left hand side part? Can I rub this left hand side part, students? Okay. Now what is the next numerical given? If x of n is, next numerical please. If x of n is given as 1, 2, 0, 3, 1, 2, 0, 3, then minus 2, 4, 7, 5, minus 2, 4, 7, 5. Evaluate the following. Evaluate the following. This is asked in previous year question paper, friends. First one, find out capital X of 0. Second one, find out capital X of 4. Third one, find out capital X of summation 0 to 7. 0 to 7 capital X of k. Fourth one, capital X of k. 0 to 7 mod of square. Mod of square. Please note down this question. We'll solve one after the other. The sub question. Once if you have noted down this question, please let me know. I'll start solving down the problem. Can I proceed, students? First one.
Okay, sir.
For first one, capital X of 0. Once if I see that capital X of 0, this k value is 0. Yes or no? From definition, we know that capital X of k is equals to 0 to n minus 1 means here 0 to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 values are given, means 8.8. So it is 0 to 7. X of n e power minus j 2 pi k n divided by 8. What is k, friends? Here he has asked us to find out 0. 0 to 7 x of n, this value will become 1. Yes or no, students? This value becomes 1. So summation of x of n. X of n values from 0 to 7 is given here. You just add these things. What do you get here? 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 3 minus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 5. What do you get here? 3. This is 0. 3, 3, 6 minus 2, 4 plus 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 2, 15 plus 5, 20. Is the point of discussion clear for everyone? First sub question. I'll go for the second one. What is second one, please? What is second one? Second one is x of 4. Second one is x of 4. As you took for n is equals to z, k is equals to 0. Similarly, you can do it for capital X of 4. K is equals to, you should substitute it as 4. Right? So, what do you get here? Capital X of 4. In this equation, if you substitute k is equals to 4, what do you get here, friends? 0 to 7, x of n e power minus j 2 pi, k is 4, keep n as it is, divided by capital N is 8. So this gets cancelled, left out with 0 to 7, x of n e power minus j pi n. Is the point of discussion clear here, friends? Yes or no, students?
Yes.
So this can be written as summation 0 to 7 x of n minus 1 power n. This can be written as minus 1 power n. So this is n equals to, you substitute the value of n. For x of 0, what is the value? 1 into 1, anything to the power of 0 is 1, plus anything that is 1 power 1 is what? Minus 1 power 1. What do you get? Minus 1 power plus 1.
Minus 1.
Is it plus 1 or minus 1, madam?
Minus 1, sir.
Minus 1 plus 0 into value plus 3 into, this is plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 again minus 1 minus 2 into plus 1, then plus 4 into minus 1 plus 7 into plus 1 plus 5 into minus 1. Is the point of discussion clear here, friends? So 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 2 minus 4 plus 7 minus 5. What do you get here? 7 plus 1 is 8 minus 2, 2 4 7, 7 4 11, 11 5 16. So this is minus 8. Is the point of discussion clear? Is the point of discussion clear? Second sub question. Is second sub question clear for everyone, students?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Will you note down, or shall I rub this left hand side part at least?
Okay, sir.
Now, what is third sub question? I rubbed this. What is third sub question? You should find out capital summation 0 to 7 capital X of K. Capital X of K. So, using solution for this, let me use IDFT definition. IDFT. X of n 1 by n 0 to 7 x of k e raised to, sorry, I will write down generalized, plus j 2 pi k n divided by n. Now I want capital X of k with summation, this part alone. If I write here 7, I am having with this. Yes or no, student? If I want only this to make all this term as 1, what should I do here? N value equal to?
Zero, sir.
Very good. X of 0 is equals to 1 by n is 8. Okay. Summation 0 to 7 capital X of k. As n is 0 here, this whole term will become 1. Yes or no, students? I wanted in the question this is asked. So what is this finally? Capital X of k summation 0 to 7 is equals to, this will go here, 8 into X of 0. Yes or no, students? What is X of 0? 8 into 1, which is nothing but 8. Is third sub question clear for everyone? Is this numerical third section clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now fourth one. Fourth one is, you require Parseval's theorem, which is not there for the proof. Just we'll utilize Parseval's theorem to solve that fourth bit. So for fourth one, what is being asked here? Capital X of k mod square 0 to 7. What is this? The solution for this. Yes, note down. Using Parseval's theorem, mod x summation 0 to n minus 1 mod x of n square is equal to 1 by n summation 0 to n minus 1 mod x of k the square. This is the statement of Parseval's theorem. So utilizing this as the expression to solve this part, what do you get here, friends? What do you get here for this part? Summation 0 to 7 mod x of n square is equals to 1 by 8 mod 0 to 7 mod x of k the square. In order to get this right hand side part, I will just talk after that. Yes. Okay. So finally, this right hand side is required as the question. Summation 0 to 7 mod of capital X of k square is equals to 8 into summation 0 to 7 mod x of n square. Is the point of discussion clear here, students? Now, so in continuation with this, this is equivalent to 8 into, so square, what is this summation? The square part, 1 square plus 2 square plus 0 square plus 3 square plus minus 2 square plus 4 square plus 7 square plus 5 square. So 8 into 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4 plus 16 plus 49 plus 25. Please tell me the answer. What do you get here? Eight into what do you get here? 5 plus 9, 14 plus 18, 18, 6, 14, then 34, 34 plus 49. What is the value?
108, sir. Multiply by 8 is 864.
Is equals to 860. Thank you, madam. So, is this clear for everyone? Is this numerical clear for everyone? All the 4 sub questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, madam had visited our class during the lecture. Around only 45 students are there.